At the Home Depot Center on Prime Ticket, Galaxy, and San Jose. They're going to let that play. Open goal mouth. Irish eyes are smiling. Robbie Keane, welcome to Hollywood. That's one.
Well, what a sequence here for Los Angeles. San Jose will be claiming for the offside flag, but I think he started his run, and he gets right around Bush. He started his run right as David took the foot back to play it up and over the top. Sells it like he's going to hit it early as Bush is really left in no man's land. Right here, takes a look where the keeper is. I'll let it go right around him and then just tuck it home.